Ever notice runners in a relay race don't start at the same line? The outer lanes start further ahead. That gap is called the stagger, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to calculate it, using nothing but the length around a circle. Perimeter is just the total distance around a shape's border. Imagine an insect walking the edge until it's back where it started. A square of side A has perimeter 4A. A rectangle with length A and width B has perimeter 2, A plus B. Notice the square's formula is just a special case of the rectangles with a mass B. For a circle, perimeter is called circumference. And here's the remarkable fact. For every circle, no matter how big or small, dividing the circumference by the diameter always gives the exact same number. That constant is pi, roughly 3.459 or 22.7 for calculations, and it's irrational, meaning its decimal never ends or repeats. Since diameter is twice the radius, we write circumference as c over 2 pi r. What about just part of a circle, an arc? A semicircle is exactly half the full circumference, so its length is PIR. A quarter circle is a quarter of it, PIR over 2. In general, if an arc subtends an angle theta at the center, its length is 2 PIR times theta over 360. Since theta out of the full 360 degrees tells you exactly what fraction of the whole circle's circumference you're measuring. Now let's actually solve the stagger. A 400-millimeter track has 2 straight sections plus 2 semicircular curves. Say the innermost curve has radius 36.5 and each lane is 1.22 meter wider. A runner in lane 2 runs a semicircle of radius 37.72 meters instead. Since she runs the full circle's worth over both curves combined, the extra distance is the difference in circumference. 2 pi times 37.72, 36.5, which is 2 pi times 1.22, about 7.67 meters. That's exactly why the stagger exists, to give the outer lane runner a head start equal to that extra arc distance, so every runner covers exactly 400 meters. Quick check. The question's on screen. Pause if you like, but try it first. 10 seconds, go. An arc subtending 90 degrees is a quarter of the full circle, so its length is a quarter of 2 pi r, which is pi r over 2. The answer is pi r over 2. Perimeter is the total distance around a shape's edge. Circumference is 2 pi r for a circle, since pi is the same constant ratio for every circle, and any arc's length is just that fraction of the full circumference, based on its central angle out of 360. Free notes in the description. Next video, we move from perimeter to area. Subscribe to Clarix.